Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today we're going to make a dish that's inspired by a dinner that I had many years ago at restaurant Mugaritz in Spain. We're going to make different preparations from carrots with barbecued apricots and then pickled radishes. So, let's begin. Start by cleaning around 30 radishes and then rinse them under cold water. Now pour 300 grams of white wine vinegar in a saucepan together with 200 grams of water, 2 grams of salt, 2 pieces of star anise and 20 coriander seeds. Then bring this to a boil. Once boiling, add the radishes and then boil them for 30 seconds. Now pour everything in a jar, close the lid and let this cool down in your fridge. Meanwhile, pour 300 grams of sushi vinegar in a saucepan and also add 400 grams of water, 120 grams of sugar, 2 pieces of star anise, 5 sprigs of thyme, the peel from 2 limes and 50 grams of chopped laos. Bring this to a boil and then let it cool down out of the fridge. Then peel a couple of yellow, orange and purple baby carrots. Cut most of the carrots for laos off. Now bring some water to a boil and season it with salt. Use this to blanch your carrots for around 1 to 2 minutes. Start with the yellow carrots, then the orange ones and finally the purple. Once blanched, put the carrots in a container and put the purple ones in a different container to avoid the other ones from turning purple as well. Now cover them with the sushi vinegar marinade. Keep this in your fridge. Then fire up the barbecue till it's around 250 degrees Celsius. Now put 8 apricots on some aluminium foil. Cover them with a couple sprigs of thyme, some honey and some salt. Close the aluminium foil and barbecue them for around 50 minutes. Now let them cool down completely and then remove the pit and the skin. Then clean 3 big carrots and cut them in big slices. Also clean 1 shallot and chop it. After that, heat up a saucepan, add a splash of oil and add your chopped shallots together with 30 grams of brown sugar. Caramelize this and then add the carrots with half a liter of vegetable stock and 20 grams of white wine vinegar. Cook this until the liquid is reduced completely. Then transfer it into a blender and spin it till smooth. Now put it in a piping bag. After that, clean 70 grams of parsley and do this as well with 80 grams of tarragon. Put this in a blender and add 300 grams of neutral oil. Mix this on the highest speed till the oil starts to heat up. Continue mixing it until it's around 65 degrees Celsius. Then pour it on a sieve that's laid with a kitchen paper and let it cool down in your fridge so it doesn't change color. Now pour 700 grams of carrot juice in a pan together with 8 pieces of cardamom, 50 grams of chopped laos, 2 pieces of chopped lemongrass and 4 leaves of lime leaf. Reduce this till half and then put it through a sieve that's also laid with a kitchen paper. Meanwhile, cut a couple of baby radishes in 4 and also cut the pickled radishes in thin slices. Now lay your marinated carrots on a plate together with the apricot and a big dot of the carrot cream. Then put the pickled radishes on the carrot and pipe a couple of small dots of the cream on top as well. Use this as a base for the baby radishes. Now zest 1 lime and spread this on the carrots. Then pour the carrot broth in the middle and also add the green herb oil. And now finish it off with the parsley cress. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appétit!